Today, we're slow cooking beef.
Thai style.
Oh, and this red curry coconut sauce is to die for.
Oh, serve this over some jasmine rice.
And top it with some fresh chopped mint.
We are talking Thai comfort food at its very best.
That is what we're talking.
That's right.
Oh boy, I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My Thai slow cooking beef loving Loon.
That's so
Very specific. I'm so excited. This is one of our favorite dishes. We've been making this for
a while.
It's a popular dish on the blog. So let's get going. I'm going to turn I've got a nice large Dutch oven here. You can do this in your slow cooker as well. I've done that. It works beautifully. Today we're going to do it. We've got our nice large Dutch oven here. You can do this in any good sized pot. Doesn't have to be a Dutch oven if you don't have one of these. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in here and get this heated up while
we've got some chuck here. How much is that, Chris? That's like
You're going to use anywhere from 2 1/4 pounds to 2 1/2. Just a normal size chuck roast that you get from your supermarket.
Got it. And
no need to go and break the bank on this because it's going to slow cook and get super tender.
Well, and chuck roasts aren't that expensive. They're like the least amount of food, right?
They're not expensive.
Right.
It's not like don't go buy a beef tenderloin. You don't need to do that.
No, don't. And I'm going to
You know what? I'll help you out.
Oh yeah, because I've got my.
You've got your trusty glove on.
Yeah, and I'll do the salt and you do the pepper.
We need to season this liberally with some salt and some pepper.
You got it?
I got it.
I'm going to turn this over.
Okay.
Get these all good. And I love wearing these gloves.
It's
like I'm doing a show or something.
Yeah, like a one-man show, one-glove show. So you get to really show off your jazz hands. Okay.
Oh, we're switching. You're going to do salt now.
Well, it's taken you so long. I thought I'd give you
Chris,
both.
you know how I like to
Take your time.
make sure everything is complete.
This oil is going to evaporate.
Yeah. All right. Are we good?
We're good.
Enough of everything? Okay.
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. Now just go ahead and let's dump this in here.
There you go.
And what we're going to do is we're not going to completely cook this meat right now.
Oh, there's the sizzle.
There's a sizzle.
I always like a good sizzle.
I know. That should be another title of your memoir. So we're just going to brown this. We're going to get it nice and seared on the outside. Just help lock in that flavor, and then it'll finish cooking when it slow simmers in this incredible sauce.
This flavor, you guys, flavor.
It is the bomb. Mm-hmm. Look at that platter of meat.
There it is.
Beautiful. So I
always love a big old platter of meat.
I know you do. I know you do. And it doesn't stay full long.
No.
So we cook that until it just got nicely browned all over. Like we said, it's not fully cooked. It's going to finish cooking in the sauce. And then I just removed it to another platter, a clean platter. And then it's going to render some grease, so I drain that off.
Take some
most
of that.
it.
Yeah.
You want to leave a little bit in because now we are going to saute. This is like 1 medium onion that's been roughly chopped.
Yeah.
And this is just we're starting to build this.
All of these flavors are amazing.
Incredible.
Thai, I think, is one of my favorite cuisines.
I do have to say I agree. We've been eating it for years. And I like it because there's just that punch of heat, that spice level.
Exactly.
When you
Even
go
like with chicken pad thai, you think, it's not going to be too hot, but then you're like, oh, this is delicious.
But it's that kind of heat that just kind of comes in the back door and says, hello, here I am.
Your chicken pad thai is lovely.
Yeah, and I think of all of the Thai dishes, it's probably the least super spicy.
Right.
I mean, you can make it spicy. So now I've added in. So that was, I said, a medium onion. This is 4 cloves of garlic that I minced. We also have another Thai beef dish that's a Thai beef salad that is so good. It's so beautiful. It does have a little kick to it. I love all kinds of Thai food. We have others, but I'm drawing a blank.
Is kimchi? No, kimchi's not Thai.
No, it's not.
No.
Okay.
Nope,
No, it's not. Okay, so now this is when the flavor is really going to go. This is that red curry paste.
Yeah.
It's easy to find. I'm telling you, every grocery store here in North Texas carries it now because Thai food is just so popular and people love cooking with it. So I had no problem finding it. If you can't find it, you can certainly get it online, and I have a link to that. Now, the smell is just. Oh,
this is the best smell ever.
I know.
I think the first time, I'd never had, obviously, growing up in this small town in South Dakota.
Obviously.
There was no Thai restaurants. But in Manhattan, you could throw a stone and hit a Thai restaurant.
Yeah, and you did every now and then. Okay, so now this, I'm just showing you, I'm giving you this is just canned, unsweetened coconut milk. Again, got this at my local grocery store. Open it up, it's gonna be maybe a little bit watery, so I just give it a stir. This, I believe, is a 13-ounce can. We're going to put 2 of them in
No,
there.
don't do 2. Do 1.5.
Oh, we'll do 1.5.
2
yeah.
total, but 1.5 now.
We like to leave a little bit to put in at the, like half this can, just to right at the end to kind of keep it that
Coconutty,
creamy consistency.
I love the taste of coconut, and it's one of my favorite tastes.
And it combined with this red curry paste, it's just that combination of flavors is just unbelievable.
What's next? What's next?
Okay, so now we're going to really continue to amp up the flavors. We've got 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. We've got 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Fish sauce is pretty salty, so you don't need to add really any more salt to this. And then 2 tablespoons of some dark brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown
There
sugar.
we
You
go.
can use light if that's what you have on hand. And now I'm going to really crank this up.
Crank it.
I am going to crank it. And that smells so good. Fish sauce, you may be wondering, like, where in the world do I get fish sauce? I got it at our local, our Kroger here. So, but I've got links for all of this stuff. It's not difficult to get. Okay, so now what we are going to do, I'm going to crank this heat up. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we'll lower the heat and add the meat. Okay, you see it's just
There
now
we
come to
go.
a boil, so beautiful. So now let's
add the meat.
Let's add the meat. And all of those beautiful juices that we'll have collected.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that smell.
Wait, there's one little bit.
Oh yeah, I don't want to lose a bit. Don't forget any of the meat. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we're going to do this low and slow. Now we're going to leave it on the stove. I've done this before in my slow cooker, and it works beautifully. You could also do it in the oven on low heat for a couple of hours. But I really like turning this way down low, and we're just going to let it simmer nice and slow.
But stir it ever so often.
Yeah, go ahead, and then we're going to partially cover it. Just partially cover it. So partially, please. The coconut milk, you can see this has done this to me before, and it's perfectly fine. It may separate, and you may see just the oil will separate from the coconut milk. That's normal, and that's okay. What kind of keeps that together and emulsified is if you stir frequently. But we're doing this for anywhere from 90 minutes to 2 hours. You may not have the ability to stay at your stove for 2 hours. I'm probably not. So if it does separate, just come back and give it a stir. Every now and then give it a stir.
I'm putting a chain to that, and you're going to stay there and stir
great.
that.
Well, that's talk about the story.
What else is different?
The story of my life. Okay, so now we're going to let this just go. I'm going to stir it every now and then. We're going to make some jasmine rice, stir in some bamboo shoots, and it's going to be so good. Okay. Oh my gosh, the smell in here. Look at that. So I, like I said, I stayed pretty close with this just because I love it so much. Okay. And thank you. And I stirred it frequently, and you'll see, like I said, like that the coconut milk does start to separate, and that oil comes out, and that's it. You may when you see that.
Sorry, the smell of this.
I know it's heavenly. You may think, is that going to taste like it? Because like have a greasy taste. It doesn't, and the curry paste that flavor imparts into the coconut milk. So it's beautiful. So it's been going for close to 90 minutes. Now what we're going to do, we're going to let it go for about another 15 minutes, and I'm just going to pour in this remaining coconut milk, just to kind of get things a little creamy again. Isn't that beautiful? Now, what do you got over there?
Oh, yeah. I'm mesmerized over here. I got bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots.
So you can just throw them in as is, but we like to just cut them up just a little bit.
Yeah, I mean,
Whoa,
so
watch
obviously
out.
a can like this is an 8-ounce can. For presentation reasons, we don't like them too big and bulky.
Yeah, like
you
these-
can throw them in like that, drain them, throw them in like that.
Yeah.
We're fussy that way.
We are.
And also,
let me just- can I throw these in now?
Yes, please do. And they're, if you ate them like this right now, they're a little coarse and not a whole lot of flavor. So we let them just simmer in this sauce, and then they get soft, and they're really delicious.
Yes.
Also, the Loon you can use the whole can of this. he thinks that they start to get too overpowering.
They get in the way.
They get in the way. They don't overpower. They just get in the way of the meat, and nothing should ever get in the way of the meat.
No.
So we usually use half a can, but I would say feel free to use the whole can if you want. All right, we're gonna let this go for just another 15 minutes. It's gonna, or maybe 20 minutes. It's gonna give us time to whip up some jasmine rice, and then we eat. The time has come. I'm so excited.
This is my new favorite. I say that every time.
No, you did say that.
Let's let people see that.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, so you see that? It's so beautiful. I'm going to put this over here. And now we're going to stir this just to get that kind of nice...
Incorporated.
Bring it back together. Isn't that beautiful? It's like just this amazing gravy. I tell you. Oh,
I love it.
I know. I know.
Come on, bring it on over.
Okay. I'm bringing
We're just looking at it.
All right, I'm going to feed you, Loon.
Come on. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh dear.
Oh, yeah.
Oh dear.
A moment of silence.
Come on.
Bring on the beef.
Yes.
Isn't that beautiful? Now let's give you a little bit of this delicious sauce.
Oh, you guys, look at that. And then see how those bamboo just kind of got all limp? There we go. You're sure don't? No, I'm
sure
good.
what?
I'm good.
You want more beef?
Just a little bit.
I should have known.
Where's the beef?
In Wesley's belly. Oh boy.
Oh wait, and no whip. Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah. Now let me do mine real
We have a
quick.
very special thing to do.
Oh yeah. When I first told Wesley about this,
I was like, "You're crazy."
fresh mint, he said, "That's weird. I only like that in my chewing gum," and.
Silly.
And I said, just try it. Let's just try it. It has a cooling effect. And he flipped for
It is awesome.
It really is.
I'm like, wait a minute.
I don't cook with fresh mint very much, but when I do, it's really good.
You use it with a lot of strawberries.
I do.
Oh, you guys, look at that! Just I can't hold back, Chris. Are you done?
Yeah,
You ready?
Yes. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Oh, and that meat is so tender. I can already tell. That is comfort food.
Holy moly!
That meat melts in your mouth. That was that tough Chuck, old tough Chuck. He became a
Good old tough Chuck became a tender
He
heart.
became all tender on us. Oh my gosh.
That's the funniest thing ever. You guys.
The combination of that curry paste,
The coconut.
not the coconut, it's so good. We're gonna sit here and eat the whole thing.
This is 100,000% Loon approved. It is so awesome. You guys.
And you guys, every single item I got at my local, just old Texan, the supermarket, you can make this. It's so much fun.
Impress
It's
your
so good.
guests.
Impress your guests. We've been making this now for a long time.
Oh,
and
and
it's
people.
the next day. It's so good. It's so good. All right, you guys, we love you so much.
We love you. Make some Thai beef red curry. Did I say that right?
Taiwan on. Been waiting to say that.